In this video, I'll show you how to program GE Universal Remote for any TV. I will also show a picture of my dog at the end. Step 1. Turn on your TV. Make sure the TV you want to control is powered on. Press and hold Setup. Press and hold the Setup button on the remote until the indicator light stays on, then release. Step 3. Select Device button. Press the button corresponding to your device, for example TV. The indicator light blinks once and will stay lit. Step 4. Enter remote code. Input the 3 or 4-digit code for your TV brand. You will find this code in your manual. The indicator light will turn off if the code is accepted. Step 5. Test the remote. Point the remote at the TV and press power. If the TV turns off, the programming was successful. Now you can also do an auto code search. Turn on your device, hold Setup until the indicator light stays on. Then press the device button, for example TV, but it can also be STR for streaming or AUD for audio or whatever it is. Then point the remote at the device and repeatedly press power until the device turns off. Once the device turns off, press enter or OK to lock the code. Now test the buttons to check if it works. And that is how you program your GE Universal Remote. And because you made it till the end, I got a nice picture of my dog for you. He is very cute. Have a nice day, subscribe.